rocked and the press for what he saw. He knew he was big, but that was the first time he weighed something in a long, long time. He could not believe he got over 300 pounds. He knew all along that he just ignored it. And a day came he couldn't ignore it anymore, and he had to change his life. He started doing research and decided to immerse himself into this challenge. He bought all types of workout equipment, turned his garage into his very own personal gym. It was costly, but the only thing that mattered to him at this point was his health and feeling better. So with the support of his wife, and now going on December 12th, he had no excuse. It was going to be all or nothing. He had everything he needed in his garage. He couldn't make the excuse when he was too tired to go to the gym because it was less than a minute away. The second day that he did, he started working out and got up meal plans. He started to change his life. Weekends were turned into 2 days. Now when he was going to step on stage, he decided that he wanted to do a competition. He didn't know how or where he wanted to do one. He really wanted to implement his nutrition and pick up the whole workout routine. This workout routine is a high-level workout with all recipe of success. Now here he is today, writing this piece about himself. He's 179 pounds. Let's welcome to the stage in 14 months he did this, Maynard Mendoza. Come to the front of the stage. This is more than motivating. Thank you very much. And a huge congratulations for everything that you guys went through and are able to step on stage with your chin up and smiling. Thank you very much. Continue on